Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So if you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, join the family, and if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. Okay guys, so as you can see from the title and also the thumbnail and how I'm looking right now, this is obviously not my hair and it's very different for me. I will say, although I do like it on me, it's just taking me a while to like adjust to it and get used to seeing myself like with the bangs, with all this hair, because it is like fuller than my natural hair, but it's cute. This is HerGivenHair's Coily Headband Wig, and I'll put the length right here. I believe it only comes in one length, but this is it. This is the Coily Headband Wig with bangs, and this is one of their newer styles. If you have been watching my HerGivenHair Headband Wig videos, then you know that I tried their original one, just the one that has the headband and then it has the hair out, and it's also in black like this. And then I tried their ombre headband wig, which has black like at the roots, and then the ends was like this ombre type auburn color. So those two wigs, love them. But I will say that this is going to make the perfect wig if you're somebody who is kind of struggling with your edges right now and you don't really want them exposed. Because it has this bang piece, you would never be able to tell that like you're going through anything with your edges. That does come in handy, I feel, and this might be something that you're interested in if you are self-conscious about your thinning edges, or if you're like in the process of just trying to regrow them. I'm going to go into how I styled this hair. I just used three products, just three simple products to style it. Did a wash and go, quick and easy. I put it on, played around with it to see how I would like to style it, and then I came up with this updo and now a hair. So it was really simple. It's a beautiful wig. If you like the bangs look, the bangs were the perfect length for me. After I put in the styling products and stuff, this is how it air dried, so I didn't do anything to really manipulate it except for kind of like separate it with my fingers. But the length of the bangs was perfect, so I did not have to cut anything. And if they are a bit too long, the great thing is that you can always pick that piece up and adjust it, and if you want you could even bobby pin it so that it stays in place. But I have no complaints about that. So that is it for this intro part of the video, so let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, so this is what the unit looks like after it has been freshly shampooed and deep conditioned. I will link all the products that I'm using on the hair down below in the description box. But I'm taking my Soul Botanicals knot sauce and using that as a leave-in for the hair. I feel like I should have probably used a little bit more of this because, as you'll see in a few seconds, I had a bit of trouble detangling, so just really saturate the hair good with product. Next, I'm going in with the Miche Polish Hair and Scalp Oil to use as a sealant to lock in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner. And this is what I was talking about. The hair was a little bit tangled, but I'm just applying that to all of the hair, including the bangs. And then I'm going to go in with the Bean Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Gel. And I have yet to use this on my natural hair, you guys. I've been meaning to, but I just haven't gotten around to it. But this is literally the best gel for wash and goes. I feel it gives so much definition, it has great hold, and it gives like just the right type of cast. Like it's not super crunchy, so I knew that I wanted to use this gel specifically for this wash and go to get pop-in curls. Before I'm applying the gel, I'm brushing the hair with my Denman, and then I'm going to apply the gel on top. You don't want to brush the hair while it has the gel because that's just going to make it a bit harder. Also, I am using the Denman brush on the bang to define this part, since this is like the key feature. I really wanted for it to look nice and pop, and I'm just separating the bangs out into sections and applying the gel. So this is what the hair looks like when all the product has been applied. I'm gonna let it air dry overnight and I'll come back tomorrow. Alright you guys, so this is the next day, and this is also the unit after it has dried. The curl definition is amazing. That main choice gel is just the bomb. So I'm about to put the wig on my head, but before I do that, I wanted to show you all the construction of the unit. So here are the combs. It has 4 different ones, and you can use these to make the wig more secure. And if you see kind of like towards the back of the wig, it has that Velcro, which you use to strap it on. So it doesn't actually have an elastic band. This particular style has that Velcro strap instead. So I'm just putting the wig on my head, securing it with the strap, and I'm also putting those combs. I believe I used the 2 on the side and the 1 in the back. I didn't use the 1 in the front because it just wasn't really necessary. It already felt really secure. And as you can see, this is what the hair looks like out. It actually looked really adorable, but I wanted to do something a little bit different to spice it up. So I'm taking my yoga headband, and I have a video all about my favorite yoga headbands, where I purchased them from. It was a part of AK's latest obsessions, so I'll link that down below. But I'm using that to put the hair up kind of like in this high pineapple style, and this worked like a charm. I felt like it added a lot of pizzazz to the style, really highlighted the bangs and also the curl definition. So these are my final results. I love the bang feature on this wig. It's very different, and the quality of this unit was really fantastic. So if you're interested in HerGivenHair, then definitely check the description box down below. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.